Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using two colors from Bling Galleria dips. So let's dive right into these beautiful colors. The first color here, it's called Peacock Teal. Now this is a beautiful peacock teal blue, and it has a really pretty shimmer to it, and the shimmer is very subtle, and it's the perfect teal color, and it pairs perfectly with this next one here called Land Before Time. This is a really pretty foil dip. It has silvers, blues, and green foils, and then it has a blue base to it, and it's just so pretty, and I really like the name Land Before Time. And then here are the two colors together. Don't they pair perfectly together? And then for today's mani, we will be making a set of press-ons, and we will be using dip liquids for this mani. So we're going to start off by using that beautiful Peacock Teal. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mallory, and I post daily mani videos. Today we're doing a press-on, but I also dip on my hand there. You can see I have a set of short Coffin jelly tips on, and then I also dip on my short nails on my right hand, and occasionally I will throw in some gel polish manis as well. And if you missed Monday's upload after this mani, head over to my channel and check that video out. I am doing a giveaway. Now you can see here that peacock teal is super pretty with that one dip, and this peacock teal color is more of a blue teal. It does not have that green undertone, which I really like that about this dip powder. Okay, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I love that foil dip powder Land Before Time. It is perfect, and those foils applied really nicely. They melted down into that nail, and they did not bleed at all. And if you haven't tried any of Bling Galleria's dip powders after this mani, head over to her Etsy shop. She has tons of gorgeous, beautiful, unique dips. There's definitely something that's going to catch your eye. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Definitely consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.